Hey, brilliant builders! Welcome back to Product Management Training and Mastery. I'm your Silicon Valley product leader, and today's episode dives into the lifeblood of successful product teams, the product lifecycle. If product strategy is the map, the product lifecycle is the vehicle. Whether you're building from 0 to 1 or scaling from N to infinity, mastering this system is what separates good PMs from great ones. We're walking through each of the 7 stages, breaking them down with battle-tested tools, practical frameworks, and real-life stories from the field. Let's dive in. What is the product lifecycle? The product lifecycle is a repeatable framework used by great product teams to reduce risk, validate ideas, and continuously ship value. It's how insights turn into innovation and experiments into scalable success. The 7 stages of the product lifecycle: ideation, discovery, validation, feature design, development, launch, iteration. Whether you're managing your first MVP or scaling a unicorn product, these stages will guide your thinking. Now let's dive in more to stage by stage. Stage 1. Ideation. Every product starts with a spark, an idea. But where do these ideas come from? User feedback, data insights, market trends, internal brainstorming. Example: at Spotify, the idea for Spotify Wrapped came from observing how much users love personal insights. It started with curiosity. What if people could see their music story? Stage 2. Discovery. Now you have a shiny idea. Time to explore it deeply. Conduct user interviews, map pain points, do competitive analysis. Pro tip: validate that the problem is real before racing to solve it. A good PM asks, should we build this? Not just, can we build this? Stage 3. Validation. Here, we test assumptions. Does the user actually want this? Will it drive impact? Build prototypes, run A/B tests, gather early feedback. Example: Airbnb validated their idea with simple photos and emails before building the platform. They tested demand before scaling supply. Stage 4. Feature design. Create behavior loops, not just delight. Great design creates habit loops. It makes the user's job easier, clearer, and addictive. Here you work closely with the UX team to create a wireframe. Focus on only what moved the needle for your product. Not every feature matters. Tools to leverage are map features to jobs to be done, JTBD. Design for activation first moments. Align interface development. Once it's validated, time to build. Now you're in close collaboration with engineering, design, and QA. Prioritize backlog. Write user stories. Plan sprints. Real talk. This phase is where many PMs live daily, keeping the team focused, removing blockers, and clarifying scope. Stage 6. Launch. Now it gets exciting. You ship it to users. But launching isn't just pushing code. It's about telling the story and preparing your systems. Release plans, marketing alignment, customer support readiness. Tip: start small. Use feature flags. Beta test. A soft launch can prevent hard mistakes. Stage 7. Iteration. The job doesn't end at launch. It's just beginning. PMs use real data to learn, improve, and evolve the product. Analyze metrics, learn from feedback, refine, or pivot. Example: Instagram started as a check-in app called Bourbon. Through iteration, they realized photos were the magic, and boom, Instagram was born. Which stage of the product lifecycle do you find most exciting? Drop it in the comments. And if you've ever launched something, from an app to a school project, tell us about it. Assignment: pick a product you love. Example: Canva, Duolingo, Uber. Write down what you think happened at each lifecycle stage. Reflect. What would you have done differently? Product management is about building the right thing, and building it well. This lifecycle helps you zoom in when needed, and zoom out to see the big picture. You've just unlocked a major PM mindset shift. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in Module 4, where we talk about working with amazing cross-functional teams.